Welcome back to Pop Around channel. Previously on the tour to Phi Phi Islands, we visited Monkey Bay, Viking Cave, Pi Leh Lagoon, and Maya Bay. But our one-day tour at Phi Phi Islands is not over yet, so we will show you the rest of our trip in this episode. So after Maya Bay, SeaStar Andaman took us to Ton Sai Beach on Phi Phi Don Island for lunch, which is just close by. This is where we had delicious local Thai food for lunch at the canteen. We were quite happy with the facilities at the Phi Phi Don Island because they were in quite a good standard. According to the map, there should be a viewpoint right behind Ton Sai Beach, which would have been great if only we had had enough time to visit. But SeaStar Andaman had something else on their agenda for the day, so we can just only hang around till we move on to the next stop. But that's okay because there are a lot of shops and mini-marts where we can grab some ice creams and snacks to enjoy by the beach till we move off. Now, are you ready for some snorkeling? Because I'd waited forever for this moment, and finally the time has come. I don't remember exactly which spot they took us for snorkeling, but there were two of them. And the first time they dropped us off, the water was around 2 to 3 meters deep, which allowed us to spot quite a lot of live corals and fishes pretty close by. And as we were snorkeling around, one SeaStar staff was kind enough to call us in to look at a clownfish in the anemone, which was pretty cool. And before we move on to the next stop, I just want to share this amazing moment when we spot a shoal of fish swimming in harmony, which had drawn us in like a magnet. We kept following them further and further away from the boat, but luckily, before we end up on some remote island, we heard a call from our tour guide, which means it's time to head back to the boat. Now let me fast forward to our next stop. I don't remember the name of this island, but we had quite a good chunk of time here where we had a choice to enjoy the beach, play water sports like jet ski, which was also available, or snorkel in the shallow water. We chose to snorkel here because we love marine life, and although there's lots of fish just close to the beach, it was not easy to snorkel without crashing into the reef. And also, I just want to warn you about one type of fish you may encounter here. This evil little fish is extremely territorial. We both got bitten by this type of fish, so you better be careful if you want to snorkel here. Right, so let's move on to our last stop, Bangkok, where SeaStar Andaman had some more drinks and snacks for us. There weren't much to do here but local beach bars and some street food, or should I call it beach food? We spent around 20 minutes here before we head back, so apart from the very organized tour around Phi Phi Islands, SeaStar Andaman tour operator had impressed us with very friendly and caring services. All the staff were very kind, some had even gone above and beyond their duties to save us from getting overcharged, so I very much recommend this tour operator if you're looking for one. And that's about it for our day trip to Phi Phi Islands. Our trip in Phuket continues in the next episode. Please hit like, share the video, and if not already, please consider subscribe to Pop Around channel so you won't miss our future videos. Thank you for watching. Bye now!